Stop wasting money on human virtual assistants just to take notes in your meetings. Stop wasting time rewriting action items after a grueling hour-long discussion. Look, 40% of your current meeting time is dead weight. It's spent documenting, transcribing, and then deciphering what everyone actually agreed on. We are entrepreneurs, founders, and architects of systems. We don't document, we automate. In the next 7 minutes, I'm going to show you a completely free AI feature hidden inside a tool you probably already use. This tool doesn't just transcribe your calls. It listens, identifies decisions, and builds your entire actionable roadmap before the meeting even ends. This is how you reclaim 40% of your week. Welcome to Automation Architect. Let's be ruthless about time. If you or your team are still doing this, using Zoom's basic transcriptions, or worse, manually typing notes, you are losing profit. Every minute spent typing is a minute not spent strategizing or selling. A single human VA costs upwards of $500 a month. This AI feature is free and never makes typos. The majority of B2B founders are losing money by paying for meeting documentation. This free AI tool not only replaces that paid labor, but also eliminates the 40% human error rate. Stop paying humans to listen. The tool is Notion, and the specific feature is its Quick Capture AI. Most people use Notion for basic notes. They miss this critical automation step. Here's how you activate it. Once the Quick Capture is set up, you simply connect it to your transcription service, Zoom, Meet, or even Otter.ai's free tier. The key architectural step is telling the AI exactly what to listen for. Don't ask it to summarize. Ask it to categorize NUSE, this precise prompt when setting up your capture. Listen for action items, identify the responsible team member, and extract only the final confirmed decision points. Ignore all conversational filler. That is the system.now for the advanced move. This tool isn't just taking notes, it's automating your project management. Because the AI is identifying responsible owners, e.g., John will take the lead on the Q3 budget, we can automatically link this captured note to a separate project management database within Notion. NTHE, most productive meeting, is one where no one writes anything down. If you're typing, you're distracting yourself from problem solving. Delegate the listening to the machine and save your brain power for strategy. Think about the time saved. No more post-meeting summary emails. No more chasing John about that Q3 budget item. The system assigns the task and sets a due date automatically based on the AI's categorization. This is true automation architecture. Nor be Ken. Let's look at the ROI. If your team spends 5 hours a week collectively summarizing meetings, and you eliminate 90% of that through automation, you've just gained 216 hours of productive time a year per team. Multiply that by your billing rate. That's pure profit. This free tool scales with you. Whether you have 2 people or 200, the system architecture remains the same. You are replacing unpredictable human labor with a deterministic, rule-based YZ service that runs 24/7. This is the foundation of a modern, profitable agency. NTHE real bottleneck in your business isn't sales, it's admin. You don't need to hire another assistant. You need to fire the need for one by building systems. This is the quiet, high-leverage move your competitors aren't making. NTHE future of business is not about working harder. It's about architecting smarter systems. This free AI feature is just one piece of the puzzle. If you're serious about automating your time and multiplying your revenue, then you need to see the full architecture. Then I've detailed the exact step-by-step setup prompt and the complete integration flow in a downloadable resource linked in the description. Like and subscribe to Automation Architect for more systems that eliminate wasted time. Stop wasting time, start building systems.